Master the Art of Poaching, a gateway to succulent delicacies. Hello, dear learners. Welcome to another exciting episode of our English language series, focusing on the culinary arts. Today, we're going to dive deep into the wonderful world of poaching. But don't worry if you're not familiar with this term yet. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what poaching is, when to use it, and some common foods that you might poach. So, what is poaching? Well, in the culinary context, poaching refers to a cooking technique where food is gently simmered in liquid, such as water, broth, wine, or milk. This is a gentle, slow method of cooking, preserving the shape, color, and most importantly, the delicate flavors of the food. This technique is most commonly used for cooking delicate foods like eggs, fish, and fruit. Poaching is an excellent choice when you're looking for a method of cooking that doesn't require oil or butter, making it a healthier alternative. This technique brings out the true flavors of the food, while keeping them tender and moist. For example, you might choose to poach a chicken breast for a healthier, more flavorful salad. Or, you might poach pears in red wine for an elegant and delicious dessert. When it comes to poaching, there are several key words and phrases you should know. Simmer. This is the process of heating a liquid to a temperature just below boiling. The liquid should be bubbling gently while you are poaching. Submerge. When you poach something, you need to make sure it's completely covered by the liquid. In other words, it should be submerged. Infusion. During the poaching process, the flavors from the poaching liquid infuse into the food. That's why it's often important to choose a flavorful liquid. Delicate. This word is often used to describe foods that are easily damaged or broken. These are the types of foods that are often poached, since poaching is a gentle method of cooking. So, there you have it. You've now learned about the culinary technique of poaching. Remember, this is a fantastic method for cooking delicate foods gently and healthily, while infusing them with wonderful flavors. We hope you've enjoyed today's episode, and we can't wait to see you put your new vocabulary into practice. Until next time, happy cooking and happy learning.